Welcome to Reviews and Info by Ash. Today I'm going to unbox Mi Band 4 bought in first day first sale of Amazon by me. So if you see, this is the Mi Band 4 unboxing. I have bought it from Amazon on first day first sale. Yes, on the first day first sale I bought this Mi Band 4 fitness band. So let me cut it open and show it to you how the box looks and what are the contents it has. So this is the Mi Band 4, Mi Smart Band 4 unboxing. This is an orange color box and it contains the Mi Smart Band 4 Indian version. Indian version is what you have to keep in mind. I bought the Indian version. So first day of first sale I bought it from Amazon. It contains fitness tracker, wristband, charging cable, user manual, all this, and it cost 2,300, whereas it is given here as 2,499. So it cost me rupees 2,300 in Amazon. I bought it from. So this is Bluetooth 5 connectivity and it has AMOLED color touchscreen. So this color display, what needs to be kept in mind. So it is India's #1 wearable brand. So this is what it is given as. So if you see, this is packaging which has been done well. So you have to ensure it's sealed properly before you open the pack. So it is sealed on both the sides. That's what you have to ensure. It should be a fresh piece. So now let me open it for you and show it to you what are the contents it contains. So this is what it is. This is how it looks. You have to now. So I'm going to just remove it and show it to you. So let me pull it out. So you can see there it is, the Mi Band 4. It has totally 3 compartments. Let me see what are the things it has. The first one seems to be the charger. Let me keep the Mi Band 4 aside. So this is the charger. Let me remove it. Let me show this charger to you. So this is the charger for Mi Band 4. You have to remove the Mi Band 4 capsule from the strap and keep it in this charging unit and charge it. It looks more like a mouse. It looks like a mouse to me with a tail. This is the charging unit and it is a USB type charger. You can charge this with the help of an adapter or with the help of power bank or with the help of your laptop or computer. It takes 2 hours for it to get charged is what has been told to me. So then we have the user manual for Mi Band 4. User manual is required for any product so that you can, it's a beginner's guide, so you can see that and know how to operate it. Already I have done a review of Mi Band 3, so I know how to use this Mi Band 4. You can check the Mi Band 3 review which has been done by me. Well, this is the Mi Band 4. You can see it. And this is the color display. Color is vibrant. It is given as regulatory. Then the other one being pair first. Yes, you have to pair this one with your mobile phone. For that you need Mi Fit app to be downloaded in your mobile phone. Switch on your data, then the Bluetooth. Download Mi Fit app. Sign into Mi Fit app with your Mi account and thereafter pair this with the Mi Fit app. Only after you pair it and you have to update the firmware. So only after you do all this you can do further controls. You can go ahead and see what are the other things it has to offer. So pairing with Mi Fit app is required. So pair first is what you get to see when you open the box, this Mi Band 4 from the box, and when you see it. So only two things are visible: regulatory and pair first. So colors are really good to see. So let me wear it. The Mi Band is also very good. The rubberized feeling it gives when you wear it. It's comfortable to wear. So this is the firmware update which I'm doing now. So you can see it. It's getting showing as updating. So it's getting updated. So you have to pair it with Mi Fit Band, and you have to update the firmware or the software, so which you get in the first boot, and after updating only you can go ahead with other actions. So this is just an unboxing for you guys to have a look at it. So I will post another video with other details, so you can look out for other videos in my channel. I have put it on charge through the adapter so that it gets charged faster. Only after charging it fully I can go ahead with other actions. This is Mi Smart Band 4, and it's a very good accessory. You have to use it. So it's quite stylish and nice to look at. So I have put it on charge, and you can see the capsule being charged through Mi Band 4 charger. It would take around 2 hours for it to get fully charged. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this channel, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share this channel with your friends and relatives, and post your valuable comments.